If you want to know if your distributor is working properly, this is a bench test on an HEI distributor. I have a stainless steel bar. You don't have to have that. You can just use clean steel. I have my battery lead here where you would hook it to your key on to the battery cable. The other battery cable's here. My battery's sitting up here. Both of those are on. So we're live right now with the power. And we'll zoom in. You can hear it sparking, and it's hard to see it, but that's how you test them. You make sure they're all doing their sparking thing. Sorry, we're trying to find the spark plugs. And all of them are working properly. Have a great day.